Much of the world's economy remains stuck in winter. Inflation in the US recently hit a 40-year high, and central banks, including the Fed, Bank of England and the European Central Bank, are all set to raise interest rates to 15-year highs. But one sector has managed to weather all of this better than most: Islamic finance. This is an area that has managed to grow amidst one of the most difficult times in the world's economic history. According to S&P Global Ratings, the sector saw an annual growth of over 10% at the height of the pandemic. So what's been going on, and how does crypto fit in? Well, Islamic finance simply follows a different set of rules that keep it within the moral principles of Islam. But there is one very important point to note, as Mohammed Al-Kaf Al-Hashmi of Islamic Coin explains.
Here we are not talking about something exclusive for Muslims or something is just about a certain religion. It's for all. Anybody can use this financial school with its ethics and values and benefit from it.
The idea is that you shouldn't make money from money. That means profit and loss should be shared, and riba, or paying interest on loans, is prohibited. Mohammed reckons that has played a big part in insulating the Islamic finance sector from the economic woes that have been seen elsewhere. So, for example, people aren't getting trapped paying interest they can't afford on a property whose value is falling. All sorts of financial products can be compliant with these rules. So Islamic bonds, or sukuk, are structured in a way that returns to investors are linked to the performance of an underlying asset, while takaful, or Islamic insurance, may not only offer benefits in the case of an accident.
In the normal insurance, you go, you pay the money for the insurance, and if something happens, you get covered until a certain extent. If nothing has happened, where is your money? Your money is gone, right? The takaful model, it covers you when you do the insurance in a form of takaful, but when they invest the money, they're getting the return of investment. You also get your part of the profit. So you're not only sharing the risk, and when there is a gain, they are taking it by themselves. No, it's all among the contribution.
Mohammed says it's all about community and participating, and Islamic finance also strongly emphasizes social responsibility. That includes zakat, or giving a proportion of wealth each year to charitable causes. This set of ethics and values has already proved its appeal to a much broader set of investors in the traditional financial world.
Look at Africa, for example. There is a huge adoption for the Islamic finance. 60% of the population there using Islamic banks, and 60% of those people are non-Muslims, by the way. So it's something getting its growth and tractions everywhere.
Where blockchain and crypto is concerned, the principles of a commitment to transparency in Islamic finance also resonate. And that's why Mohammed sees huge potential for growth in the space.
It's a gap actually was missed for a long time. The whole community that are following the Islamic financial rules or Islamic financial school, they are looking for a clean ecosystem on the blockchain to put their projects, to put their investment, to put their transactions. Blockchain is a very reliable and transparent tool, and that makes it a perfect match for the Islamic finance because it is connected to ethics and values.
Mohammed reckons Islamic ethics can help in another key area too: regulation. The United Arab Emirates has been at the forefront here, establishing Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority in March of last year. Mohammed says that while it's not easy to have unified global regulation, it is good to be able to learn from each other.
What we have here is always we try to get the first mover advantage. I like always to be pragmatic more than being idealist, because it is something we look for, a global or universal unified rules, but however we start on the ground wherever we have a control and move forward, and we can try to be example sometime and learn sometime from others.
Alright, that is it from us for this episode. Do like and subscribe if you want to see more content like it, and let us know your thoughts about Islamic finance and where crypto fits in the comments below or wherever you're watching this video.